Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for chocolate chip cookies. These are my son's favorite. I'm sure it's every kid's favorite. These cookies are crisp on the outside and chewy in the middle. And these taste best with a cold glass of milk. It's very easy to make this recipe. So let's quickly go ahead and check out what are the ingredients required. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. So I've taken all-purpose flour in a bowl here and sifted it, into which I'm adding in the baking soda and the salt. Now let's give all this a good mix until everything gets well incorporated. I have here butter which is at room temperature, into which I'm going to add in granulated sugar. Next in goes brown sugar. Now using a spatula, I'm going to mix all this. This is called creaming of the butter and sugar. Once everything is well combined and you get this creamy consistency, it's the time to crack in 1 egg which is at room temperature. Also, we'll add in the vanilla essence and then blend all this well. Here I've added the flour mixture. Let's go ahead and fold in the flour to make a dough. Now for the best part, adding in the chocolate chips. So the cookie dough is ready. Here I have a baking tray which I've lined with the parchment paper. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to scoop out the cookie dough and place it on the baking tray. The reason why I'm using an ice cream scoop is just to ensure all my cookies are of the same size. Now I'm going to pop this tray into the refrigerator for about 60 minutes. By doing so, your cookie will brown better, spread less, and it will develop a richer, chewy texture. So it's always advisable to chill your cookie dough before you bake. So it's been an hour and I have a baking tray here lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to arrange the chilled cookie dough on this baking tray in such a way that there is 2-inch gap all around each cookie. I'm going to repeat the same with the other tray as well. Now is the time to pop this tray into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake this for just 15 to 18 minutes or until the edges of the cookies are golden brown. The cookies are baked and out of the oven. Just stick to the timer, only then will your cookie be crisp on the outside and chewy in the middle. Let the cookie rest on the baking tray itself for at least 5 minutes because the cookie will be too soft to transfer. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. And I hope you like this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So if you did, please do not forget to click on that like button. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. So until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade, and stay positive. Take care. Bye-bye.